Hello and welcome to this demo video for the Google Analytics breakdown spreadsheet. Let me show you how this works. First of all, you can either use a spreadsheet as a standalone spreadsheet, or you can link it up to the social media report, and this tab will be an export for that report. If you're linking it up to the social media export report, please make sure that the dates that you put in here, it says up here, please ensure that the dates of the data entered up to 1 year's worth match the dates on the social media analytics report if you use it. If you don't use it, you can still put in years worth of data, but it doesn't matter which months you put in. Also, if you want to keep a blank copy of this to use for the following year, please do so, but each spreadsheet will only last for 1 year. It's only got enough data for 1 year. First of all, put your name in over here. I put in Spreadsheet Solutions. You can put your company name in. It doesn't go anywhere other than on this spreadsheet. And then you're ready to go. So now if you have a look on the social media report just before we start, this actually exports data for your social media, but you want to make sure that your dates line up. So my social media report starts 1st of May. That's when my financial year starts. So I've made sure that the data that I put in here starts on the 1st of May. Now, all you need to do, so I've gone up to the 31st of August. I need to put in September's dates, and I need to get the page views and the sessions. So when I go to my Google Analytics and I click on Audience, I say Overview, at the moment it's giving me sessions, but I want to see page views versus sessions. Now it's got the graphs, but now how much, what dates do I want? So I click on here and say, actually, I'd like the 1st of September to the 30th of September, 1st to the 30th of September. Say apply. So now I've got the correct dates here, page views versus sessions, exactly what I want. So all I click now is export, and I want to export it to Excel SX, Excel document. Click enter, click on that one, and here it's downloaded. So I click on that and it should open up. There we go. Click enable editing so that you can enable the formatting, and I click on data set 1. Now you can see those all little hashtags just because it doesn't have enough space. If you widen that up, you'll see the dates. So we've got 1st of September. If I go from 1st of September right across, shift control and down to get to the end of the data, copy, go to the end of August for the next month, right click. Now paste values. Never ever ever paste. You see, paste will ruin the spreadsheet. It'll lock the spreadsheet up. You won't be able to change anything. It'll really cause you grief to the point where you can't use this anymore. So you really want to do paste values so that it keeps the formatting of the current spreadsheet. In fact, whenever you're pasting anything into the spreadsheet or any other spreadsheet made by us, always paste values. I click that, you can see everything else populates. Now I've got September in there, and I can do the same thing. In the beginning of November, I can do the same thing for October. Now, what does that do? Well, that gives me an annual breakdown, so I can see annually each month how my page views are doing and how my sessions are doing. You can see how you're improving, so on and so forth from your to your website. Also, if you go down here, you can select a month and you can see a day by day. So if I can now, you can only select the months that you've actually inputted. So you can see how those are the months I've inputted. So now I can select September. When you input October, you'll be able to select October. Select September. Now I can see the breakdown of what's happened in September. That is the report. You've also got statistics, just general stats, showing your top 25 days for page views, your top 25 days for sessions, your average page view, these are per day, average sessions per day, per month, and the total for the year. You've got your figures over there. So those are all quite helpful to you as well as the reports. But what this does as well is it sends this data here to your social media export, or social media report. If you copy this data and paste into the social media report spreadsheet, you can actually compare YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Analytics, and Twitter. Or you can compare them all, assign points to each of the different actions, and actually compare social medias, which is really, really interesting to actually be able to do. If you would like to get that social media report spreadsheet, all you need to do is click on here and sign up to our monthly newsletter, and you will receive the link for the free download of that spreadsheet. So I hope that this is useful to you to help you keep track of your website and what's going on your Google Analytics. And I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.